Welcome to Pals Fundamentals. More videos like this one on our YouTube channel, Pals Fundamentals, and the sources are linked below. Today's Faroe Islands news report. Let's start with the weather.
Right now, we've got southwesterly winds,
Okay.
fresh to strong, so that's 8 to 13 meters per second, with some strong gusts locally. Up to 15 meters per second, it's overcast. Got some rain showers. And some areas have fog. Temperatures 7 to 9 degrees Celsius.
All right. So what can we expect for later today?
Well, tonight, the winds are going to increase
Okay.
to strong wind or gale force
Oh, wow.
from the south. So that'll be 15 to 20 meters per second. And then towards morning, we're looking at gale to storm force winds, initially from the southeast, then veering westerly at 18 to 23 meters per second.
Yeah.
And locally, we could even see severe gale force winds reaching 25 meters per second, overcast skies, continued rain or sleet.
Okay, what about Friday? Does it let up at all on Friday?
Friday morning, the winds will decrease
Okay.
to a fresh to strong westerly wind between 8 and 13 meters per second. Variable cloud cover, some sleet showers, and fog in some areas. The temperature is going to drop to between 4 and 7 degrees Celsius.
Okay. And what about Friday afternoon?
Friday afternoon, we're going to see the winds shifting easterly, decreasing to gentle to fresh southeasterly winds, 3 to 8 meters per second. Partly cloudy skies, dry conditions.
Okay.
But towards the evening, the wind's going to increase again to a fresh breeze from the southeast at 5 to 10 meters per second. Skies becoming overcast with developing rain.
All right. And Friday night?
Friday night, the winds are veering westerly again, increasing to a strong wind from the south at 10 to 15 meters per second. The full weekend forecast is available in the sources.
Okay. So on to the news.
The Danish Prime Minister, Mette Frederiksen, had a 45-minute phone conversation yesterday with incoming U.S. President Donald Trump.
Did they release any information about the conversation?
It was described as frank, but
yeah.
no details were released on whether Trump accepts that Greenland is not for sale.
Okay. And what else has happened?
And a Russian politician suggested that the U.S. and Russia could divide Greenland between them. This was reported by the Russian state-controlled media outlet Pravda. Danish media are reporting that Denmark is preparing for potential retaliatory tariffs from the Trump administration.
Interesting. Okay, so what's the latest news in the Faroe Islands?
The Faroes government has taken out a loan of 350 million DKK.
Okay.
The 15-year loan has an interest rate of 3.55%. and will be used to repay a loan maturing on June 2nd, 2025. Police in the Faroe Islands are investigating 3 votes cast in Underfjordur during the recent elections. A department of the Danish National Police is examining the votes. Landsverk is advising people against unnecessary travel in the Sunda municipality.
Okay.
The Vrovigur in Hosvik is closed due to flooding.
Is there anything else impacting travel today?
Landsverk is urging caution when driving between villages. Because of the risk of landslides and flooding, the road from the roundabout above Norskala to the power station at Streymin is closed. Multiple flights have been canceled today due to strong crosswinds. There have been over 50 landslides reported across the Faroe Islands today.
What other news is there?
Noroya Sperikasi.
Okay.
They're going to lower interest rates for both private and corporate customers effective February 18th.
Right.
And Suðuroyar Sperikasi, they'll also lower interest rates effective February 20th.
Anything else for today?
Yeah, Suni Justinus, he's going to be the new CEO of MAN effective April 1st.
All right. Anything else?
A new board has been appointed to oversee the University of the Faroe Islands for the period 2025 to 2028.
Okay.
The 7-member board will hold its first meeting on February 13th.
And anything else?
That's all for today's Faroe Islands news report. You can find more videos like this one on our YouTube channel, Pals Fundamentals, and the sources are linked below.